Hey, this is Nicholas from YouCanBookMe, and today we're going to have a look at the latest dashboard. As you already know, with YouCanBookMe, you can actually check all of your bookings, either past or upcoming, under the bookings section over here. So you can go to upcoming and see your future bookings, or you can go to past and see your past bookings. You can also export this data. You can select the filter here, a data range, and from which booking page you would like to export the data, and we'll send an email to your email address with a CSV attached so you can download that data. On top of that, based on all of this information you can see here, we have an analytics dashboard. On the analytics dashboard, you can pretty much see the same information that you can see on the past on your bookings, but in a more organized and visual way. So for example, you can see how many meetings. You can see those meetings, what there are the insights. For example, how many of those meetings were canceled, how many of them were rescheduled, how many of them were no show. You can also see what is your most popular booking page and the amount of bookings that is coming from each one of those booking pages. You can see how many SMS in case you have SMS notifications enabled, along with the amount of credits remaining, and of course a button to purchase more credits if you run out. And lastly, you can also see the amount of money you have collected if you are collecting payments from your booking form. This can also be changed to see the data from yesterday, from the past 7 days, or the past 30 days. And this is our analytics dashboard.